Okay, I'm here to tell you about this Wisdom air dried dog food from this awesome brand Earth Animal. You guys know I talk about my beautiful Doberman Blue all the time, and I'm constantly only referring products that I believe in because I literally love my dog Blue more than anything. Just last night, I just watched a clip of Jimmy Stewart writing a poem about his dog Bo that literally had me break down in tears, and it just affirmed for me how much we love our fur babies. I have kids, my wife and I love our kids, but our dog is just, we love our dog just as much. I'm telling you, it's phenomenal. My dog is my absolute best friend. So if I refer a product, I'm telling you right now, the only reason I'm going to refer it is if I 1,000,000,000% believe in it, because I will not give my dog anything that I don't absolutely believe in. And this Wisdom air-dried nutritional digestible dog food for dogs. It's of all dogs sizes and ages. It's a chicken recipe. So my dog Blue has really, really tough stomach issues. He has a very, very sensitive stomach. This actually promotes really good digestion. It's a trusted B Corp known for its no-hide dog chews. Just launched this, and it's using only the finest ingredients, the best cooking processes, and the most stringent safety controls. And here's the bottom line: my dog loves the taste of it. So highly, highly recommend, if you've got a fur baby and you really care for them as much as we do, with this pure premium nutrition that they use. Here's all the nutritional ingredients that they use. This is a fantastic product, and it actually promotes healthy gut. So absolutely recommend, 1,000,000,000%, 100 out of 10.